Hi, I'm Mark Prensky. I'm from New York, and I think about education in the world and how to improve it, especially for the kids of today who have so many technological capabilities that they didn't have in the past. In valuing what the kids can do today, in expanding the idea of education beyond just the PISA test, and in infusing more of what technology can powerfully do into education. Technology really extends their brains and their capabilities. They can do much more than before. So just to demand from them the same things that were demanded from my generation is not enough. They know, if you ask them, that they are capable of learning more, of creating more, of building more, of doing more, and we need to figure out a system that helps them do that because it's a benefit to all of us. That the teachers begin to think of themselves as futurecators, that their job is to work with the kids and help the kids live in the future that's their future, that is so different than the past. For the adults, for the people who attended, I hope what they take away is an idea that they have to focus on the future, and that that future is not the same as it used to be as the past.